applications of Java programming, or you can say uses of Java, purposes of Java. Now tell me, Menuka, what is the purpose of Java? Suppose Java is used to develop. Java is used to develop. Say, Java was not developed for our Selenium. We are using Java for test automation. That is not the primary purpose of Java. Java is for software development. Can you tell me, Jadid, Java is used to develop, for example, desktop GUI, graphical user interface, desktop GUI applications, Ramya. For example, Acrobat Radar, desktop application that was developed in Java technology. Next, continue.
Mobile applications.
Mobile applications. Before that, web applications. Next, enterprise applications. Enterprise applications. Observe, Ramya, what are enterprise applications? For example, banking is enterprise. Banking applications. Next, insurance applications. Next, enterprise resource planning, ERP applications. Next, e-commerce applications, etc. These are the healthcare, etc. These are the enterprise applications. Next, Jadid told mobile applications, mobile software applications. For example, Android-based application. Android developed in Java technology. Android-based applications, you can develop, not you, Java developers can develop Android-based mobile applications. Next, Python is weak in mobile programming. In other areas, Python is strong, but Python is weak in mobile programming, mobile software development, but our Java is strong in mobile software development. Next, other Menuka, scientific applications. What are scientific applications? Menuka, can I give an example? Scientific applications. Satellite application is there now. For satellites also, scientists use software now for launching satellite, for controlling satellites. Satellite software also scientific application. Okay. Next, embedded applications. Ramya, C also supports embedded applications. Python supports embedded applications. Our Java supports embedded applications. Actually, Ramya, Java was first developed for embedded applications. Now we are using Java for different purposes, but Java was first developed for supporting washing machines, set-top box, television set-top boxes. See, washing machine is embedded system. Fridge is embedded system. Television set-top box is embedded system. Telephone coin box is embedded system. Lift also embedded system. Okay, lift may be mechanical device. TV may be electronic device. What is embedded systems? What is embedded system? Inserting software components into devices. Inserting software components into devices. That software component operate the device. Suppose after opening the fridge door, light will switch on automatically. Jaded, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
After closing the fridge door, light will switch off now.
Yes, sir.
That is programming, embedded system, chip programming. Suppose if you press in lift, if you press from ground floor, if you press 4, it will stop at 4th floor. That is programming, isn't
Yes,
it?
sir. Yeah.
Embedded systems means
Software inserted in
inserting software components into devices. Mechanical devices or electronic devices. Fridge is electronic device. Television is electronic device. Next to this one, what is that one? Lift is mechanical device. Cranes are there now for construction. Crane.
Yes, sir.
Means nowadays cranes are using mechanical only, but inside chips are there. Crane also mechanical device. Okay. Next, nowadays in cars, car is mechanical device. Nowadays in cars, auto gear system is there now.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Auto gear also programming. Depends on speed, it will change the gears automatically. Okay. Okay na Ramya, any problem? Embedded systems?
No, sir.
Next, big data technologies, big data systems or big data technologies. Big data means huge data, huge amount of data. It may be structured, unstructured, and semi-structured. Okay. Next, distributed applications. Do you heard this term, distributed applications? Minuka, you are having experience now, lot of experience. Distributed applications.
Like, I mean, I'm just guessing where there is like.
Generally, we have 4 levels of testing: unit testing, integration testing, system testing, and acceptance testing. For distributed applications, 5 levels of testing. First one, unit testing. Next, component integration testing. Here 2 types of integration: component integration testing before system testing. Next, system testing. Next, system integration testing after system testing. Next, acceptance testing. Here distributed system mean distributed application means business distribution. Ramya, for example, online bank is there na, online banking system is distributed application. Jaded. Why? Online banking software, the online software system interacts with core banking system, means branch automation, ATM software, credit card management system, loan management system, etc. It interacts with other software na.
Yes, sir.
Suppose if you withdraw some 10,000 amount from your bank using ATM, that will be reflected in online banking also na.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
That will be reflected in branch also na. Here distributed applications na. Suppose branch automation system means core banking system, ATM software, online banking system, credit card management system, all are distributed applications. Getting the point or any confusion, Ramya?
No, sir.
Next, cloud-based applications. Nowadays, trending topic, cloud-based applications. Our Java supports cloud-based applications also, Minuka. What are cloud-based applications, Minuka?
No, application.
These are not local applications.
Yeah.
Means, they deployed in cloud, not in local servers. For example, For example, Google Drive is there now.
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
Google Drive is cloud now.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
What about Gmail? Gmail also not local server, cloud server. The best example for cloud-based applications, Google Drive. If you store some files in that one, you can access the data from anywhere in the world. Getting?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
What is the best example for cloud-based application, Ramya? Ramya, what is the best example for cloud-based application?
Amazon.
Amazon. Amazon. What is Amazon? Amazon is developer.
AWS. Yeah. All the.
Amazon Web Services is there.
Yes, sir.
Service, not application. AWS is web service. Web service, that is service. Best application, best example for cloud-based application. Google Drive is there now.
Yes, sir.
Google Drive is cloud-based application. Okay. Next, web servers and application servers. Web servers and application servers. Using Java, web servers and application servers can be developed. General point, ours is web application testing, Menuka. Ours is web application testing. So you need to familiar with web technologies, HTML, XML, web server, application server, database server, etc. Now tell me, give some examples for web servers, not only developed in Java. Give some examples for web servers. Web servers belongs to web environment. You need to familiar with web environment. Tell me some examples of web servers. Microsoft Windows default services. IIS is there now. It is default with Windows. IIS, Internet Information Service. It is web server of Microsoft. For .NET applications, we use IIS. Next, Apache web server is there. Apache web server is there. Java web server is there. Pramathi web server is there. Next, application servers. Suppose WebLogic, WebSphere, JBoss. You heard these names, Jaded.
Yes, sir.
WebLogic, WebSphere, JBoss,
Boss. Yeah.
etc. Okay. It's not our syllabus. Next, software tools. Software tools. Ramya, some software test tools also developed in Java technology, Java software, Java programming. Can you give one or two examples? One or two examples.
JMeter, I guess.
JMeter developed in Java technology. JMeter is a pure Java application, 100% pure Java application. Next, Selenium developed in Java technology. Next, SOAP UI developed in Java technology. Next, you know Jira, test management tool, Jira developed in Java technology. Okay, na? Next, games applications, games software. Next, smart cards. See, in smart card is device that is a device Jaded, but in smart cards, programming required na chip programming. Suppose ATM card is there na, that is smart card na.
Sir.
Some programming required na, it has to store your account details na.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Credit card is smart card. For that, programming is required. Credit card stores your credit information, isn't it?
It is embedded there, sir, in the credit card.
etc. etc. Ours is automated testing. Ours is secondary purpose. Automated testing with Selenium. With Selenium.
Selenium.
See, observe Java contribution in software testing. Java contribution in software testing. Say, in software testing can be done in two ways. Traditional manual testing, another is automation testing. For manual testing, no programming knowledge required. For automation testing, programming required. In automation, we have several types of automation. For example, functional test automation, performance test automation, next test management, mobile test automation, etc. In these types, functional test automation requires programming, more programming. In performance testing, less programming. Okay. Observe contribution of Java for automated testing JADID. See, this is one combination. Selenium with Java. See, Selenium also supports Python, Ruby, JavaScript, Kotlin, C#. Next, we can use Selenium with Java for functional test automation. Next, Appium with Java for mobile testing. Appium with Java for mobile testing. Next, RFP with Java for functional testing. RFP also supports .NET. Appium also supports Python, Ruby, etc. Next, Cucumber. Cucumber supports Java. Cucumber supports Java. Cucumber also supports Ruby. See, this is the contribution of Java for our automated testing. Observe, Ramya. Next, in JMeter, we may not use Java programming, but runtime required. JMeter is pure Java application. SoapUI is pure Java application. Okay, na, Ramya?